Alright, buddy. We're going to try feeding you some solid food, or I should say baby mush, for the very first time.
We are.
Look at you. Are you pretty
happy
excited
about
about that?
I am so excited. Day
Baby
before
mush
Mother's
time.
Day. Okay.
Let's see how this goes.
Thick enough. Okay. You ready to try it? You made this really thin. You just like your new seat. Do you feel like you're in the driver's seat?
Good luck.
Okay. What do you think? Is that pretty good?
Yeah. That's some good eats.
Try some more? How is that? Do you like it? Do you like it? Is that pretty good? Gonna try some more? You like the spoon, don't you?
Here it comes.
Okay.
Give him a good one, Mommy. I've got a close-up.
Okay. Is that pretty good?
Good job, pal.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to let you eat in peace now. Oh, look at you open your mouth and everything. Good job, buddy.
Is that pretty good?
See you later. All right, let's keep going. This is
Do you like
hysterical.
this? You want a little bit more?
Do it again.
Want some more?
What do you think?
What do you think? Is that pretty good? Is that pretty good?